Must be at this angle. Now this is a good angle. Sit down and kind of. So Annie, come here. Annie, come here.
Come here, Annie. Sit.
Box, I've always wanted some boxes.
I'm just recording, so snap away.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
See now.
Daddy put it on her
it
finger.
does.
Dad, no, Mom, Dad has to do it.
I do? I've already done that one time. 60
Left
years
hand.
ago. Where is it? This finger?
Left hand.
Left.
Wrong finger.
Left hand.
Well, she's got too many rings on there.
Dad,
Get them off.
Okay.
Dad'll wear it.
Okay, let me put it on.
They're so cute.
Well,
Well,
I
put
have
it on
to.
this finger.
Okay.
There you go.
Well, that's sparkly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. It's got some fire.
Thank you, thank you.
You have to give him a kiss.
Really, kisses must be involved.
Absolutely. This
Kisses.
is like the royal wedding. Right, you have to kiss him.
Oh, okay. Let's kiss.
Okay.
Oh, I wish I had the sound effects.
I got it.
That would be
This is
classic.
his? Oh, that's your present.
Oh, I wish I had the sound effects. That's hilarious.
We'll put it on Facebook.
I just love it.
Which finger did it fit on?
Oh, well, who knows? I've got so many rings on.
Hold your hand
fit
down
on
there.
that one.
Oh,
Don't take it off, just hold your hand out.
Hold your hand out, Mom. I want to take a picture.
Oh my goodness. Well, I think I need to do that.
Put your hand down.
I don't think I have to worry.
Slaved all these years to buy that ring for you.
That's right.
What is some bride?
Don't you take
I read in the Time magazine. some
Hey, Dad's
bride
open
said,
his.
Dad is opening his gift.
Mama.
Wait a minute.
You're stealing
I
his.
told him I don't
Fine.
care.
Don't
what
rock.
Mom, pay
Yeah,
attention. This is your gift.
Ooh, I don't
Ooh.
care what kind of ring it is. It just better
Got
be
the
big.
right kind.
Well, Annie,
This is what you're doing.
Oh my goodness.
I've always wanted to go to that sale. Was it? Was it fun?
It was.
Uh-huh. Every year, Sammy.
Your dad.
Timex,
Take this off.
one day,
We'll see if
Timex
it
has
fits.
a
Take this one off.
sale, and they
Wear it.
sell
out your
everything
finger.
in Little Rock.
At the Timex
finger.
factory.
I have a long associate,
Oh,
Billy.
there's
Should be set.
I have
See
a
your
long
left hand?
association with Timex. Because they used to fix every Timex
Jack, here you
free,
go.
but they still fix them for very little money. I have
Squeeze.
2 boxes
Squeeze it
always.
right here.
When my watch runs out, I send it back to Little
You have
Rock.
to squeeze it,
And now
Dad.
they charge a little money.
Does he know what that means?
I got it.
Maybe
You
if
can
I
take it
had
to the
lotion.
jeweler in Mountain View and
Sam?
have them raise.
You'll have to do that.
I'll go
Lisa.
get you some.
Or get married to.
Can you shake it up?
But he'll have to go. I
Yeah,
guess,
you'll
to
have to
decide
take it to the jeweler in Mountain View and they can